Alright, okay. Compose ourselves. Serious time. We're already 3 weeks late with this. Okay, here we go. Hi everybody, welcome to the results of the February challenge. I'm sorry it has taken so long, but life be like that. I have a special helper helping me today. This is Anna. She's my girlfriend and she's here because I dragged her into helping me with, I mean, if I've drugged you from England to Germany, I've done a pretty good job of that somehow. But anyways, so she's here. She suddenly stopped talking now, so that's good.
It's okay. You're fine. You're fine.
Okay, so Anna is keeping score. We will be looking at the images. We are rating everything based on the criteria that I put on the blog post and kind of giving it a score out of 10. Also taking into account the way that you went out of your comfort zone for this challenge. I really loved seeing how everybody did go out of their comfort zone and yeah, just tried some new things and push yourselves to get off auto mode, and yeah, it was really cool. So I'm going to share the screen. Ha, good, you're in the corner. So we have got 79 entries, so I'm hoping we can kind of get them through them in a reasonable time. Let's go. God, I keep trying to cough and I keep getting the hiccups at the same time.
It's like a terrible combination.
It's not great. Like, I need to cough. Why? But what if they look at us on the video and they're like, are they laughing at our photo? I'm gonna have to put a disclaimer on, like, on the video to be like, please note, whenever we are laughing, it is not your photo. It's something dumb that we've said.
We would never laugh at somebody's photos unless the
Should I like cut this in and like the hiccups?
Just put a disclaimer. Disclaimer, I got the hiccups and what I needed to cough at the same time, so isn't laughing supposed to help with the hiccups?
You said you can't breathe, and so your diaphragm's like, oh God, I'm twitching. I'm a twitching. No.
Get yourself something to drink.
Then I have to get up and I have to climb out, and it's hard.
No.
Go get the drink. The snoot. got 2 hours of deliberating and scoring and getting the hiccups and trying to cough while having the hiccups and giving more scores and trying to decide the ultimate scoring system. We have got our winner, which is this one here of Amy by Rosie. So I will get in touch with Rosie. Thank you all again for entering. I will hopefully do a challenge next month. I have a couple of ideas of what it could be, which means that we get to suffer through the pain, joy, and misery of scoring them again. Which I feel really bad for Anna because now she is a part of the process and she can never leave.
Maybe next time we'll actually be in the same room. That.
Hey, that'd be cool if we're actually in the same room to score. Aww, I want to be in the same
room. So nice.
Okay, well, thank you. Thank you, everybody, for playing along. I hope you enjoyed the very sped up version of our last 2 hours, and I will see you next month.